This exercise is called overhead breathing. So, this is going to be really good for those who have a hard time getting a really big 360-degree inhale. So, it's also good for someone if they have what I call a high hinge point. So, if someone's laying on their back and I ask them to take a big deep breath and their back arches up off the table, that is usually called a high hinge point. So instead of our back expanding, it is coming up and we're arching right in our mid to low back area. We're arching up rather than it getting really good expansion. So this exercise is going to be good to help get a really good 360-degree breath. So that way our rib cage is moving up and out in both the sides and in the back as well. So you're going to lay down on your back with your knees bent, and you're going to have a foam roller behind you. So you're going to have your arms resting or your wrists resting right on the foam roller that is over your head. And you're going to focus on getting a really good 360-degree inhale. So whenever you're in this position, you want your belly to move out and your rib cage to move out in all directions. So when you take a big deep breath in, you should feel your back staying in contact with the floor. It should not arch up. And then whenever you do take that big deep breath in, you're also going to push down slightly into the foam roller just to help engage those muscles a little bit more to help improve the breathing. So we're going to do a couple of deep breaths. So one more. So again, really just focusing on getting a good 360-degree inhale, pushing these arms down into the foam roller. And also whenever you exhale, you want to exhale like you're blowing out of a straw. So a long exhale while engaging your core the entire time, just to help work your abdominal muscles while also getting a good deep inhale pattern. One more thing that you can do if you're having a really hard time not arching your back up off the floor whenever you either breathe in or breathe out, you can bring your toes up and try and dig your heels into the floor. That will just help to engage your hamstrings a little bit more, and that might be able to help. Or you can also put like a towel roll or a yoga block in between your knees that you can squeeze, and that should help to engage the inside of your thighs but also your lower abdominals a little bit more. So that might also help you to really get some good back expansion during the inhale and keeping your abs active on that exhale.